My father told me I was timid child. At school they said I had no style. I was dreaming to be those cool kids, but I come to fucked up my whole teenage life. Now I've been many places, all these years I used to cry overnight, but now I'm not gonna fit. It's the star that show me where I go, just like I knew you were.
And I'm fluttering sounds and sounds and smiles. Oh, we're coming home tonight. You never know how to express your feeling, don't you? Oh, we're coming home tonight.
My father told me I was born to run. Long way from home, he never doubt peace, son. Don't call me back until your dreams come true, but I pray for you, be always by your side. Now I've been many places, all these years I used to cry overnight, but now I'm not gonna fit. It's the star that show me where I go, just like I knew you were. There's nothing but a simple song. Don't worry, Daddy, I ain't coming home. And life is nothing but a simple song. Don't worry, Daddy, I ain't coming home.
जय महाकाल दोस्तों, मैं कृष्ण और ये मेरी पहली वीडियो है जिसकी वीडियो मैं अपनी बाइक की बनाने जा रहा हूँ। मेरी बाइक है रॉयल एनफील्ड इंटरसेप्टर। माफ़ कीजिएगा अगर कोई भूल चूक हो तो, बट मैं ज़रूर आपको एंटरटेन करने का मेहनत करते रहूँगा। आगे बढ़ते हैं। तो शुरुआत में मेरे दोस्तों, ये मेरी बाइक है रॉयल एनफील्ड इंटरसेप्टर 650। थोड़ी बहुत पुरानी हो चुकी है, 4-5 साल चल चुकी है गाड़ी। और जैसे कि आप सभी को पता है कि महाकाल जी का बहुत बड़ा भक्त हूँ। गाड़ी की शुरुआत महाकाल का नाम लेके ही करता हूँ। तो वीडियो की शुरुआत में मैंने कहा कि मैंने अपने बाइक की वीडियो बनानी है, बाइक के बारे में बतानी है, अपने राइड्स के बारे में बतानी है। तो मैं बिलोंग करता हूँ जमशेदपुर शहर से, और यहाँ पे इतने सुंदर रोड्स हैं कि आप खुद बाइक चलाने का आनंद पूरा उठा पाएंगे। For my friends who are having difficulties in understanding English, and of course I do have trouble speaking in Hindi or Bangla, I'm making a video of my bike, Royal Enfield Interceptor 650. Have been riding since 2019, and before that I have had the privilege of riding a Royal Enfield Classic 350, and I have taken a few of the drives, you could say. This is BS4 version of this bike, Royal Enfield Interceptor 650, and this is one customization that I have done just to make it a bit more personalized. Now to show you the odometer reading, I have clocked 19,752 kilometers, and from my last servicing I have completed around 3,562 kilometers. That being said, I'll be posting a new video of 20,000 kilometers ownership of my bike, and I would say it has been a wonderful experience to own this bike, ride it on the highways. At a stretch, I have driven about 250 to 300 kilometers from Kolkata to Jamshedpur, and vice versa also. But after 150 to 200 odd kilometers, there was a certain pain on my seat. Pain from my seat, which is the stock seat currently. But of course, once you're on the highways, you quite often neglect the back pain, which I would say is not the option. I have been exploring quite a few options for changing the stock seat. I have explored few customized seats for touring seats as of now, but I have not been able to find that matches my taste. Now, coming to the changes that I have made after 5 years of ownership, first thing that I had faced, which had caused me a huge problem, was the battery drainage. Since it's a heavy bike, battery drainage is quite normal in it, and you would quite often feel that the battery, if it's not taken care of properly, it has to be replaced. Starting from the battery to be replaced, I have changed my RR alternator unit, which in turn charges my entire bike, because you see, it's a heavy bike, it's a heavy loaded bike, it's a electronically controlled bike as well. So if you think in this way, this bike does consume a lot of battery. If you do not switch the main circuit of the headlights off, or you constantly use your horns, or if you also have installed aux lights or any other kinds of accessories installed. That being said, alternator was changed, battery was changed. I have changed the LED headlamps. If you can see over here, I have changed the stock yellowish lamp to a white LED lamp, which increases the throw of the bike, which helps us in the night drives, I would say, where there is not much of light. I have of course changed the stock tires, and have used the seat tires of the dimensions 130/70/18, and you can see this is a tube type tire. The new ones are coming in tubeless tire, but this is a Zoom CH Zoom tire. I think I have not much experimented with my bike previously, but yes, I would definitely say it's as per today, we can customize this a lot. And for the long rides, of course, tube type tires are not much convenient with such a heavy bike, and tubeless tires are definitely required right now. That being said, I welcome you to my channel, and I hopefully shall be giving you great content, and I will be able to show you the beautiful roads and the sceneries around Jamshedpur, as well as you can see, this is one of the beautiful places for sunsets, and I usually take out my bike during sunsets or sunrise. Other than that, these summers it's quite difficult to ride. That I use usually. This is my basic helmet that I have bought from Flipkart 3 years ago, and a few of the stickers here and there. But of course, this is Vega's off-road type something, which is available for 1600-1700 on Flipkart. It's quite sturdy, the material is quite good. It has taken a few bumps here and there. Of course, it's gone crazy right now, so I'm not using it for the highways. But yes, when I was driving on the highways, this is one of the most comfortable helmets that I have used. Although for some people who might think it as not so convenient closed-faced helmet, but I would say it's light, 1.1 kilo by weight and 1.190 kilograms. Pardon. Yes. Another thing is that I have seen people often figure out new kinds of engine guards. Some engine guards. If you have experienced some kind of new engine guards which are quite helpful in recent times, please let me know. I would love to upgrade myself to it. Other than that,